Welcome to John Cleese Car Audi's YouTube channel. Behind me is a Porsche Cayman we've worked on. And if you don't know Caymans, this is an extremely rare one. This is a Porsche Cayman R. Now, apparently, if you read the Google results, there's only 250 of these currently in the UK, or actually imported to the UK, and only less than 1,500 worldwide. Extremely rare, and we've actually had not one, but two of them. A green one on our channel as well. It's a cool one, and what I like most about it, it's not the white and black exterior, but it's actually the white and black interior. Those seats are dreamy. I love those seats, proper cool spec. You've got to be brave to spec things like that, but I like it. Not quite green over tan like my favourite, but still epic. Now, what I'll do is I'll show you, I'll turn it on actually so you can actually see what it looks like. So we've done a Kenwood DMX8021, very popular if you see our channel, because it's 3-year warranty, because it's reliable, and because you can do cool things like put a Porsche Splash logo on, which just makes it more in keeping with the vehicle. This is a fully reversible option, so this Cayman R customer does not need to worry about any cutting, any modification of cables. He can put his factory radio back in when he sells it. This one actually came in with a faulty amplifier with no sound, but we've bypassed the amplifier temporarily, and the customer can get the amp repaired or get a new one ready for when it goes back to factory. But actually the amplifier in this is actually better than the basic amplifier on the driver's seat anyway, so this will sound better. Now this car didn't have DAB as standard, so what we've gone and done, we put a DAB there on the windscreen, which if I zoom in you can see it there. For an additional cost, if you don't mind paying, you can actually have the aerial on the rear window as well. That's compatible for 911 coupes as well, just not Boxsters or convertibles for obvious reasons. If your car had Bose, which this one doesn't, then the Bose can still work. If you had a multifunction steering wheel, that can also still work. But otherwise, let's go through some explanation as to what this Kenwood actually gives you. So starting from the most popular, we've got Apple CarPlay wirelessly, so my phone's already connected. I will move the shortcut icons from left to the right hand drive after this video is done. We've got wireless Android Auto as well. Now the customer's got access to Google Maps, Apple Maps, music streaming apps like Tidal, internet radio apps like Virgin Radio, Global Player and BBC Sounds. If we go back to the home screen, you've got access to DAB now, as I mentioned, with the aerial. So if I go into DAB and push the search button, we can now go through all the listings of DAB stations in alphabetical order. It means the customer's got loads of options for music taste in this. You can change the illumination at the bottom. They're actually currently white to match the Climatronic below it as well. We've used a colour match black fascia. This is a Gen 2, hence why it's black. If you had Gen 1, it would be silver, again matched. Really good finish. Microphone, you've probably seen other videos up the top here, but actually customer didn't want it as peripheral vision, so what we've done is we've found a happy option which is just down here. You can see my finger pointing at it right now if I zoom in. Great option for the microphone, hidden from peripheral vision, but still picks your voice up beautifully because it actually picks up your voice from underneath the steering wheel just there. Manual box, beautiful. But yeah, great unit. Kenwood DMX8021, not one, not two, but 3-year warranty when installed by a premier Kenwood centre like ourselves. Not me, I don't install, obviously. So yeah, great option. This is Connor from John Cleese Car Audio. This is the Porsche Cayman R 987 Gen 2, and this is how we do it. See you later.